Welcome to ICEC.
Folks can come in, look, feel, taste, touch, what have you, right?
America's leading trade event for paper, film, and foil converting.
It's kind of a who's who in the converting industry, so it's been a very critical show for us. I don't think there's really any comparable show to it right now. I mean, there's smaller regional shows, which we have been good, but there's no, broad-based national show for us that's similar for this market space.
For those in the industry, it's a must-do, converting contacts into customers.
They're bringing ideas to us and their needs and requirements, but then we also have an opportunity to say, here's what's new at Delta ModTech. We're offering this and this and this, and here's how it will help you in your converting or coating process.
We come down here so that the customers can put their hands onto our equipment, they can operate it, they can see the ease of use and the weightlessness of the product when it's being handled. That's the best thing. I mean, we've got everybody in the converting business coming down here, and it assimilates and gives us an opportunity to meet customers that have needs in regards to material handling roles.
Yeah, I didn't know what the converting industry was until a few months ago.
Oh, wow. And for those looking to get into the industry, it's a must-do event keeping current on the cutting edge of converting.
Yeah, I mean, everyone's been very open to explaining what their products do and everything. So, I didn't realize, how many industries converting touches.
Whether it was the latest in laser technology, packaging, paper, film, spooling, printing, and reel and roll handling, with over 100 exhibitors, the show floor had something for everyone in the converting world.
A lot of good vendors here. I think it's going to serve a lot of our needs. So it's nice having everybody in the same place. You don't have to fly to multiple cities throughout the country. You can see everybody in one place, so it's very helpful. Yeah, I think there's multiple points within our process, and we're looking for equipment and some services throughout the entire length of that process.
Beyond the show floor, the classroom conferences covering a wide range of subjects.
The key is there's so much that's not known by so many people that the key is the attendance. And that's the thing that's so great about ICEC is that it's huge. You can get to a lot more people here than you can anyplace else.
For both the novice and the seasoned pro, the 3 days of lectures proved an invaluable asset at ICEC.
I've actually been in the conveying industry for about 4 months now. Oh, wow. Actually, I'm very new to it. So this is a lot of eye-opening new information for me, and learning a lot especially from experts. I'm really looking forward to the one-on-ones with them at some point.
And if the answer wasn't found in the classroom or on the showroom floor, ICEC attendees could take their questions straight to the experts themselves, one-on-one. Attendees also tuned in for all-important networking at the mid-show reception as converting gave way to conversation, where new connections were made and old friendships rekindled.
There's great music going on here, but I've also made 16 good leads today, so I met some nice new people, hopefully to become future clients of mine at GreatCon.
Lots of connections on LinkedIn, so we're excited.
The very latest innovation, the very latest information. ICEC is the destination for those who want to stay on top of the converting industry. For more information on future events, go to www.convertingshow.com.